Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage storage in InShot. Since InShot does not provide a dedicated storage section, we will focus on clearing cache, managing draft project, and organizing exported videos to ensure the optimal performance and prevent unnecessary storage. So first you need to open to InShot here, and once you reach into this InShot interface of your video, photo and collage, you need to go to your video. Over here on the bottom we can find these two drafts. What you can do is on the drafts there's a three dot icon. You need to tap on the three dot icon and select delete in the top here. Again, it will ask you for the confirmation. Select on this delete again. And draft project can occupy the significant storage over time, so regular review and deletion of unnecessary drafts is essential for the efficient storage management. And also move exported videos to the Photos app, iCloud, or the other cloud storage services. Alternatively, transfer them to an external device or the SD card. Keeping fewer videos inside the InShot itself helps prevent slowdowns and ensures the app continues to operate efficiently. And this is it. By reviewing and deleting draft projects, you can maintain your optimal storage and performance on InShot. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.